Yeah, so make it like this. First I do the with the red color, which is basic shape. Basic shapes always start from the circle. Okay, so first we are making the basic shape. Make it like this circle. Okay, Alinimeter, make it nice circle like this. This is a basic. First, this line you can draw. Whatever I do in the red color, you draw very lightly, not dark. Okay, very lightly. This is a basic. First, I make the circle kind of. This is
Okay, sir.
okay, and then I make one circle. Okay, I make it one circle over here. Okay, so one circle like here. I not make this circle, but that is mostly circle, one circle, and I create another circle here. This circle little bigger. This also circle. Okay, so I make one circle, two small circle, three big circle. So 1, 2, 3 circles I draw over here. Okay, fine, understood better? Okay, fine. From this circle, now this is the head actually. This is the head. So for the first circle, okay, the first circle, I make eyes. Okay, here is the eyes line. This is nose line. So this is the eyes line. This is the nose line. Okay. So what I did, I make here eyes. This eyes line. So one eye is over here. In between this same space, I leave and make it here. Another eyes. Okay. So same space I maintain here to here. That must space eyes. That must space eyes. Okay. So make eyes. Okay. This is it. You understand now what character it is, beta? This is elephant, right? Understood, beta?
Yes.
Yes. Now, just in this circle, I draw the hand, one hand from this circle, one hand from here, two hand from here. Very simple. Okay, this is one circle, and here I can make it this circle. I make the hand like this, one and two. Okay, so I make hand, one hand and two hand. Okay, from this circle. One hand and two hand. Same height I maintain. Same leg distance I maintain. Okay. The same, bigger. Okay. And the another circle, this is a head circle. This is torso circle. This is a pelvis circle. Another circle from you create one. This is another circle. From here and here we are put the onto two legs. Okay, one leg here. See. One leg here, curve, curve, curve. Okay, one leg, and same here. Let's say I draw here one hand, another hand I start here. See here one leg start, another leg start from here. Okay, like this. Okay. Same height you are maintaining over here. Okay. Now from this line I start the ear. Okay. Always the eyes line when ending you can start the ear. It's a big ear I draw. Okay, this is very basics I show you. Okay, very basics. The tongue you can make it little less. Like this. Small tongue. Okay. So I make it first the very basic with the red color. Now I just make the final drawing. Okay, with this so you can understand properly. Okay, आराम से if you take time you can tell Yalini. You understood better?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I make it same things with the lining. Okay, this character name you know, animation character for Disney, Rambo, Remo, something like that. This is one very famous movie of an animation movie. Okay.
So, do you mean Dumbo the movie?
Sorry, beta.
So, do you mean Dumbo?
Yeah. Yeah. You know this character?
Yes, sir, I watched the movie.
Okay. Very simple. With the character you can use in here. Pink. Pink like this. And rest of the you can use the gray. Okay. Just using the gray color. Rest of the body. I'm using gray. Blues gray. Like this. And that's it. You can put some dark gray color. Like this. Okay. This character number. What you say? What's the character name? Rambo. Like this. Mhm. So make it
Like the elephant with long colors. I like the elephant with only ear color. I don't like the elephant with the gray because I like it different.
okay. You like elephant? What color? Pink. Elephant is
No, sir, I don't really want to. I do because I like the elephant just with this color. I don't want to do the gray color. I like it this color.
what color? I not see.
I
Show
like it light blue, sir.
light blue. Show. Your video is on.
I'm not finished. I'm almost finished.
Okay, take time. Aram se. I just make it a little creamier. You can see it. Cream. Just like sap green and deep green. Ah. Elephant. Hey. Huh? Oh, elephant. Masuk kamar aja elephant. Betul. Ah? Ama kecil kita. Elephant. Elephant. Mereka cakap elephant. Oh, doggy. Doggy. Oh, doggy. Oh, oh, छोटा बच्चा. Doggy fin, elephant, elephant.